Hi guys, today we will explain how to change page visibility from private to public. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your browser and sign into your store on which you want to change the visibility. Once you do, you will see the same interface, like me. And here, take a look on the left side. You will see a lot of different options from these. You have to select Option Online Store. Once you will select below, you will see 3 more options: Themes, Pages, and Preferences. Click on the option Pages to get access of page. Once you will click on it, here you will see all of your pages which you created on your Shopify store. Currently, I only have a single one, and here you can see it. Now, in order to delete, I need to click on it. And here you can see the option of visibility. Currently, it's visible to all, but if your page is hidden, then click on the option Visible, and you can also set the visibility date by clicking on it, and enter your date and time manually, and then click here. And now on that date and time, your page will be visible to all. Once you do click on the option Save, and using this way, you can set your page visibility on Shopify.